All right, so your Thor Motor Coach has a Bluetooth coach radio system, but you have a whole lot of music on a phone or an iPod. So let's take a look and show you how this operates and how you can tie it all together with your favorite music. So here's how this works. Pressing the power button turns the unit on and off. This button is also your mode button, meaning this is where you switch between auxiliary and Bluetooth modes. To the right is your volume down and volume up buttons. Taking a look at the next row down. If you are all about that bass, the audio setting is how you tweak the sound to your taste. From here, using the volume buttons, you can adjust the bass and treble from -7 to +7. Balance adjusts the sound from the speakers to the left or right, again on a scale from 0 to 7. Loud is great for a little boost to the low end when listening at low volumes. You can bring up a number of other options by pressing and holding the audio setting button. Let it go. Now tap it again. First, you'll see your dimmer. You can adjust your screen brightness from 9 down to 0. Sleep mode allows you to set a timer to lull you to sleep to your favorite tunes. Simply press sleep time. Then use the volume up and down buttons to set the timer. You can select from 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. This unit also has an alarm. The volume up and down buttons turn it on or off. The volume down button adjusts the hours and volume up adjusts the minutes. The ASPS button stands for Automatically Store Preset Scan. To automatically store radio stations, press and hold this button for a few seconds. This unit is now scanning for the 6 strongest stations. When it finds them, it will store them. You can press the button again when you want to stop the process. By pressing but not holding the button down, you will play each station it finds for 5 seconds, then move to the next. You can stop this process by pressing the button. The pair button is how you connect to Bluetooth, and we're going to show you how to do that and use the app after we go through the rest of the buttons and features. Moving to the bottom row, this input here allows you to connect headphones, your phone, your tablet, anything with a 3.5mm output. Plug in your cable and press your power mode button until aux shows up on the screen. Band/enter is how you switch between your 3 FM bands and 2 AM bands. Setting your clock is as easy as tapping the View Set button. Hold until the time starts flashing. Now, set your hour with the volume down button and minutes with the volume up button. After you set the time, let go. After 5 seconds, your clock will be set. This tiny little button can be pressed if you need to do a factory reset. The 2 buttons below your display screen are for your speaker selection, Zone A and Zone B. You can turn these speakers on and off from here. All right, now let's move over to the right side and take a look at these buttons. Tuning your stations is as easy as pressing the up and down buttons here. When you find a station you like, tap and hold one of the 6 preset buttons down here to store your stations. These buttons up top also allow you to skip tracks and pause and play your tunes when you're connected via Bluetooth. So let's jump back to that Bluetooth button and dive into the app. To pair your device, turn Bluetooth on. Now hold the pair button down. When you see JMW10A on your device, you may need to enter 0000 as your passcode. When it's ready to rock, you'll see BT pause on the display. What's cool here is this unit can store up to 5 separate Bluetooth audio devices. After you have them all paired up, simply press the volume up and down button to select the device you want to use. But say a friend is coming over and wants to connect their device, making the total 6. Well, something's going to get booted off your list. You can lock certain devices in so it will stay in your system and not get kicked off. Simply press Band Enter to lock or unlock. You can easily disconnect or remove a device by selecting it, then pressing Band/Enter. For ultimate control, download the Jensen J Control app on your smartphone or tablet. Now you can choose your source, select tracks, radio stations, and control your volume from inside or outside your coach. It's all as simple as that. Now crank up the jams and have some fun. For more on resources, visit thormotorcoach.com.